Assalamualaikum bondura. How are you everyone? I am here MD Alamin, Eyes of Bengal. My channel is today I am introduced about the green skin and how to remove without a green skin. Okay, this video is going to be a tutorial video about green skin without green skin. My see, this is my background with a same color background. Okay, this is my background, and I going to remove this background with colorful anything, any background. This is going to be a glorious video for you, for a new YouTuber, for removing green skin without green skin. Okay, this is a effective video also, and if you like and if you really need this video, please subscribe to my channel, and it will be help in your video making, and also like my videos, share my video, and stay with me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's start our tutorial about green skin without green skin. And we are going to remove our background with colorful image, colorful graphics. This is very much important for you. Let's start. And now I import my video from my computer, and let's start. Let's put in a timeline. As this is add to timeline at the playhead. Click there, and is track and put video in track 2. Okay, and let's bigger your skin. You need what you need, and second of all, track a image in your background. Okay, I take a image in my fast track in editing, and this and click the first video what you need to remove your background. So click this video and go to visual effects, these tools, and remove a color. Add to select the media, and this is the chosen color, strike, and this is select, click this icon and choose a color. Okay, this is removing, but you can adjust it by clicking tolerance, softness, and you also zoom in or out. You can do it zoom in or out by clicking this and putting this there. Let's play our video. Without green screen. My see, this is my background with a same color background. Okay, this is my background, and I going to remove this background with colorful anything, any background.
You can also sense okay, this is a style, but I am going to show you another things you can add. Let's take it. Make it adjust with the video, and this is you can zoom in. Okay, you can also take this kind of footage in your background. You can add anything to your video by removing your background. Okay, some tiny spot in my video, you can adjust it by clicking as a tolerance and softness.